Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So if you're someone who uses Google Chrome every day for browsing, watching videos or even work, then this video is for you. See, Chrome is great, but sometimes it can feel slow or not so much secure. So it's not a good news, right? So there are three simple settings you can change and it will make faster and safer your internet experience. So let me walk you through this step by step. To do that, first of all, you have to open the Google Chrome in your phone. After that, click on their three menu or three dot menu. Then scroll down and open the settings from here. In the settings page, you can see there is an option privacy and security. Just tap on it. After coming on this page, you can see there is an option send do not track request. Tap on there. And if you found in your phone it is turned off, then please make sure it is turned on. Now go back and look for the safe browser. Here you can see there is a safe browsing option. Tap on it and there are a 3-level protection, do not, standard and enhanced. Make sure you turn this one and you select this one, the enhanced protection. So after doing these two options, go back and again back. Now in the settings page, scroll down and look for site settings. Just tap on this site settings. After clicking on site settings, you can see there is an option pop up or something related to that. See, there is a pop up and redirect. Just tap on this, and if in your phone this is allowed, and make sure it is turned off by clicking here. So after doing these three simple steps, it will change your experience of using internet by Google Chrome. So use this and experience better. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.